Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is widely considered the best JBL Flip 5 waterproof Bluetooth speaker on the market. Whether you're looking for a speaker to take to the beach, the pool, or just around the house, this compact powerhouse promises premium sound quality, rugged durability, and impressive battery life. Let's explore what makes the JBL Flip 5 stand out. The Flip 5 features an all-new racetrack-shaped driver designed to deliver high output and booming bass in a compact package. This means you get rich, detailed sound without the bulk, perfect for those who want to bring the party anywhere. The sound signature is unmistakably JBL, offering clear highs and powerful lows that fill the room or outdoor space with vibrant energy. One of the key highlights of the Flip 5 is its waterproof design with an IPX7 rating. This means you can immerse the speaker up to 3 feet deep in water without any damage. So, whether it's a sudden rain shower, a day at the pool, or even a splash during a beach party, the Flip 5 is built to handle it all without missing a beat. Battery life is another area where the Flip 5 shines. With over 12 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge, you won't have to worry about running out of music during your day out. Charging is efficient too, with a USB-C port that powers up the speaker in about 2.5 hours. Connectivity is seamless thanks to Bluetooth 4.2 technology. Pairing your smartphone, tablet, or laptop is quick and stable within a 10-meter range. What's more, the Flip 5 supports JBL's Party Boost feature, allowing you to connect 2 Flip 5 speakers together for true stereo sound or link multiple Party Boost compatible speakers to create an even bigger sound experience. This makes it a great option for those who want to scale their audio setup for larger gatherings. The design is not only functional but stylish. The Flip 5 comes in a rainbow of 11 vibrant colors, including this striking pink model. Its durable fabric material and rugged rubber housing protect the speaker from bumps and drops, so it's ready for outdoor adventures. The speaker's dimensions are compact enough to fit easily into a backpack or handbag, weighing just about 1 pound. Making it extremely portable. While the Flip 5 doesn't include a built-in microphone or smartphone charging capabilities, its primary focus is delivering superior sound quality and durability. It's a single-driver speaker with a 44mm dynamic driver and delivers a maximum output power of 20 watts. The frequency response ranges from 65 Hz to 20 kHz, providing a balanced sound spectrum for various genres of music. Inside the box, you get the JBL Flip 5 speaker, a Type-C to Type-A charging cable, a quick start guide, a warranty card, and safety information. The simplicity of what's included keeps the focus on the speaker itself, without unnecessary extras. In summary, the JBL Flip 5 is a fantastic portable Bluetooth speaker for anyone who values great sound, long battery life, and waterproof durability in a compact, colorful design. It's perfect for music lovers who want to enjoy their tunes outdoors or on the go without worrying about weather or wear and tear. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and stylish speaker that's ready for any adventure, the JBL Flip 5 definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.